Hi, I'm going to talk about lines and angles today. So I'll start with alternate angles and corresponding angles. So whenever we have two parallel lines, here I have line AB and line CD, which are parallel to each other, intersected by a line segment EF, then all the alternate angles and all the corresponding angles here are equal. So let's first find out what are the alternate angles. So here angle 1 and angle 7 are alternate angles equal to each other. Angle 2 and angle 8 are alternate angles equal to each other. Sorry. Angle 3 and angle 5 are equal to each other. Angle 4 and 6 are equal to each other and are alternate angles. Then we move on to the corresponding angles. So the corresponding angles here are angle 2 and angle 6 equal to each other. Angle 1 and angle 5 equal to each other. Angle 3 and angle 7 equal to each other. And angle 4 and angle 8 equal to each other. Now, opposite angles. Whenever we have two lines intersecting each other, here I have a line AB and CD in which are intersecting each other at one point, then the opposite angles are said to be equal to each other. The opposite angles are equal to each other. Now, complementary angles. Complementary angles are those angles whose sum comes up to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles are the angles whose sum come up to 180 degrees. Adjacent angles are the angles which have a common arm and the same vertex. For example, A, B, C, D. So here angle ADB and angle BDC are adjacent angles because they have a common arm and the same vertex, which is D. All right. So let's move on to the questions. So here I have the first question wherein line PQ is parallel to line RS and we have to find angle QOS. So to find angle QOS, there are two ways. Either I can draw a parallel line here or I can also extend this line here. So when I extend this line here, when I extend the line Q, let this point be, say, supposing D, then here angle PQD and angle ODS become alternate angles, and we know, as we've done, that alternate angles are equal. So this angles come up to 35 degrees. Also, now in the triangle ODS, this angle, which is angle DOS, is equal to 180 minus 35 plus 70. Angle DOS is equals to 180 minus 35 plus 75, which is 110. So this angle comes to be 70 degrees. Now we have to find angle QOS. Now angle DOS and angle QOS are supplementary. As we've done, the sum is 180 degree. So angle QOS would be 180 minus 70, which is 110 degrees. All right. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, so we have this figure um, wherein BA is parallel to EG, and we've given that angle triangle ACD is an isosceles triangle. So what do we mean by an isosceles triangle? Wherein the two sides are equal, and since the sides are equal, the angles are also equal here. All right, and we have to find angle CA. Okay, we have to find angle CAB here. All right, now since we know that angle EDF and angle FDH and angle HDG are supplementary because EG is a straight line, so we can easily find out angle FDH. So angle FDH would be 180 minus 65, 60 plus 65, which is 125. degrees. So this will come up to be 55 degrees. So this angle is 55 degrees. Angle FDH is 55 degrees, and since angle FDH and angle CDA are opposite angles as we've done here, since they are opposite angles, so this angle will also come up to be 55 degrees. Now, since we already know that triangle ACD is an isosceles triangle and similar sides have similar angles, so angle CAD will also be equal to 55 degrees. Now, also, we have angle BAD and angle EDF similar. Why? Because as we've done, these are corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are same. So angle angle B CAB 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 is equals to angle CAB would be 60 minus 55 because this whole angle is 60 degrees. Angle BAD is equal to angle EDF because these are corresponding angles. Hence, the answer is 5 degrees. So, angle CAB would be 5 degrees. Bye bye.